Hello, user testing community. It's Mike McDowell from the Solutions Consulting team at User Testing, back with the latest tip of the week. Today, I want to talk to you about something that is near and dear to my heart that I don't think gets used very often to share the results of our research very quickly and easily. And it is export to Excel. You can see here, I've got a basic sessions tab open for a study that I did recently. You can see all my participants here and different things, their usernames, add to panel, ratings, times. But over here in the options menu, you can see here different things we can do with our study. And this is available on all your studies. And you can see right here, export to Excel. If I was to click export to Excel, what it's going to do is it's going to download the results of this study. It's going to give me all my session information. It's going to give me my metric information. And another cool thing it's going to give me all the clip information that I've done. Now you can see here 4 clips, 5 clips, 12, 7. All of that is going to be included in a very simple, easily clickable format in Excel. Now I've already gone ahead and downloaded this file, and for the sake of showing it in my browser, I've uploaded it back into Google Sheets, but rest assured, this is an Excel file. You can see here, we've got the session details right here. We've got all of our participants. We've got the study. We got all their profile. We've got different elements from the screeners. Then we come down here, we've got the tasks and the transcripts by participant. The entire transcript for the study is right here, along with some of the written questions, I believe, are here as well. So it is fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. You can see here the written questions at the bottom for the post-test questionnaire. We've got that. I come over to the metrics tab. Here's all my tasks. Here's the answers to those tasks. Here's time on task, clicks, pages, how many unique pages they looked at, rating scale answers, all these things on the metrics tab. Then the thing I was talking about before, the clips. You can see here the username, the task they were on, the start time and end time, any tags that I made on the clip, any hashtags, and then whether or not it was a positive sentiment or negative sentiment, if I labeled it that, any notes I took. The actual transcript is here as well. If I scroll over, there's the transcript. And all I have to do is click on any one of these clips, and it will go right to that clip. This, to me, as an aggregate view of my study with all of the clip information right on one worksheet in Excel, I think is just absolutely simple, simple, simple. And we're talking about speed here and being able to get this stuff out quickly and share it quickly. I don't think you can beat export to Excel. I love highlight reels. I've done tip of the weeks on highlight reels before, sharing clips as well. But in terms of taking the entirety of a study and outputting that and sharing it with your team, there's nothing that beats export to Excel in my book. So hopefully this was a great tip. Maybe if you aren't using export to Excel, this kind of got you thinking about doing it